Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. National Sports Day is celebrated on August 29 every year. In this video, we are going to see 50 most important GK questions about sports. Question number 1. When is National Sports Day celebrated in India? Answer: August 29. Question number 2. On whose birthday National Sports Day is celebrated in India? Answer: Major Dhyan Chand. Question number 3. In which year National Sports Day first celebrated in India? Answer: August 29, 2012. Question number 4. What was the original name of Dhyan Chand? Answer: Dhyan Singh. Question number 5. Dhyan Chand is associated with which sport? Answer: hockey. Question number 6. Which cricketer received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award on National Sports Day 2020? Answer: Rohit Sharma. Question number 7. Major Dhyan Chand was awarded with which civilian award by Government of India? Answer: Padma Bhushan. Question number 8. How many rings are present in the symbol of the Olympic Games? Answer: 5. Question number 9. What do the 5 rings on the Olympic symbol represent? Answer: the 5 continents. Question number 10. The first Olympic Games held in? Answer: Athens in 1896. Question number 11. What is the motto of the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer: United by Emotion. Question number 12. How many medals did India own in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer: 7. Question number 13. Headquarter of International Olympic Committee is situated at? Answer: Lausanne. Question number 14. Mirabai Chanu is associated with which sport? Answer: weightlifting. Question number 15. In which year was wrestling introduced at the Olympics? Answer: the year 1904. Question number 16. How many types of races are there at the Olympics? Answer: 4. Question number 17. In which stadium Tendulkar completed his 100th century? Answer: Sri Bankla Stadium. Question number 18. Who is known as the father of Indian cricket? Answer: Ranjit Singh Ji. Question number 19. Who was India's first football captain? Answer: Talimeran Rao. Question number 20. Who won the first T20 World Cup? Answer: India. Question number 21. How many times India won the Hockey World Cup men's? Answer: 1. Question number 22. In which city the 2028 Summer Olympic Games will be organized? Answer: Los Angeles. Question number 23. Who is the youngest Grandmaster in India? Answer: Parimarjan Nehi. Question number 24. Which sport is related to Thomas Cup? Answer: Badminton. Question number 25. In which year Sports Authority of India was established? Answer: year 1982. Question number 26. The term dolphin kick is associated with? Answer: swimming. Question number 27. First Indian woman to win the World Rapid Chess Championship is? Answer: Koniru Hampi. Question number 28. Which nation will host Asian Boxing Championship 2020? Answer: India. Question number 29. IPL stands for. Answer: Indian Premier League. Question number 30. Who was the first Indian woman to get an Olympic medal? Answer: Karnam Malleshwari. Question number 31. Total Olympic medal won by India in 2012. Answer: 6. Question number 32. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Answer: Milkha Singh. Question number 33. Durand Cup is associated with which sport? Answer: football. Question number 34. The term googly is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. Question number 35. Who won 10th Italian Open title 2021? Answer: Rafael Nadal. Question number 36. The famous C.K. Naidu Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer: cricket. Question number 37. Which country is the birthplace of badminton? Answer: India. Question number 38. Where the Water Olympic Games 2022 will be organized? Answer: Beijing, China. Question number 39. Where did the first Khelo India University of Games located? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Question number 40. Who is the first woman Grandmaster of India? Answer: Vijayalakshmi. Question number 41. Who won the women's singles title in the US Open Tennis Tournament 2018? Answer: Naomi Osaka. Question number 42. Rovers Cup is related to which of the following sports? Answer: football. Question number 43. How many players are there in the team of volleyball? Answer: 2. Question number 44. The world's largest cricket stadium situated at? Answer: Motera Stadium, Ahmedabad. Question number 45. Which country hosted the 30th South Asian Games 2019? Answer: Nepal. Question number 46. The first Commonwealth Games in 1930 was held in which country? Answer: Hamilton in Canada. Question number 47. Puskas Award is associated with the game of? Answer: football. Question number 48. What is the name of International Cricket Stadium in Kolkata? Answer: Eden Gardens. Question number 49. Who won the silver medal in badminton in the Asian Games 2018? Answer: P.V. Sindhu. Question number 50. Ryder Cup is related to which sport? Answer: golf. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.